Every streamer wants this, but not every streamer has this. It's a community. Let's talk about how you get one. This video is going to be short and sweet, and it's just going to talk directly to that point of what a community is and what my community is. And the reason we're going to talk about that is so that you can have a better understanding of how you can create a community that supports you, comes to your streams, watches your content, and builds you up as a creator. So let's talk about that. So if you've watched any of my other videos or been in my streams, you know that my community is called The Darkness. We have a Discord server, we host events, we do things, but my community is built around the idea of helping people like you, helping streamers, helping content creators, giving you the ability for you to be able to create that content, to give you opportunities to ask questions, to give you events to be able to participate in, to give you things to just give those creative juices some flow. So when I created that Discord almost 2 years ago, as well as when I started streaming regularly almost 2 years ago, I wanted to be a group of people that would make a difference in the world, because all of you have the same opportunity that I do. I make content, I stream, I play games, and I have fun with you, and most of you want to achieve that, but you're at that point of thinking, how do I get people to buy into me, and how do I give them all of the opportunities to be able to be with me in those moments? And it all comes down to one simple thing: access. Now, access can be as limiting or as free as you want it, and let me explain what I mean by that. Now, you see, a community that's built around a streamer or creator usually has some form of access, whether it be private messaging, able to see all of their work in the behind the scenes, some kind of opportunity to see them outside of their normal content that you would normally watch, like this YouTube video. At any time, you could join my Discord server. You'll probably see me in some kind of a voice chat or in a text channel helping someone, and you could ping me and talk to me. Like last night, I was actually in Destiny 2 playing a game, and somebody said, I need help with voice meter. What did I do? I actually went over to Discord, helped him with that in between a couple of matches, jumped back over, jumped back into the game. Now, I'm not telling you that that's what you have to do, but access to the creator is what's going to grow your community. So, how do you achieve this? First off, you need to set some boundaries, things that make you feel like you're a person and not a piece or a pawn of what they need. You're not just their help or their crutch. You see, some people will, in this case, in my case, where I help people, some people will be very inquisitive and want me to walk them through everything, and I have to be able to tell them, you're not going to learn as a person, because I'm a teacher as well. You're not going to learn as a person that if you're only asking and getting the answers. You've got to fail and try some things yourself. But I can point you in the right direction, and I can show you what you need, and those are the kind of things that I offer help for. Is I point you in the right direction, maybe show you a couple things, but you've got to run with it. But that might not be your shtick or your niche. You might be a gamer, or you might be some whatever. Figure out a way that you can involve your audience outside of your content. Make it polls, make it, do you want to play a game with me, a sub play night, any kind of opportunity that gets your audience to connect with you outside of your content. That's amazing. Now, let me be clear. Community isn't just built on stream. Some people, obviously, on their stream will allow them to have people who play with them on the stream and join them, and that's a really cool opportunity. But when you get really big and you grow to thousands and tens of thousands of viewers, can you maintain that opportunity and give everyone the same amount of access as you can at 3 or 5 viewers? The answer is no. So start thinking right now and plan for the future. How much access do you want to give to your community? And how do you want to plan out that access? What do I encourage you to do? Make a Discord server and bring people in and allow yourself to connect with them on a deeper level. Share some things about your life, play some video games with them, go into a stage channel and do talent shows, whatever the case. Just have an opportunity to connect with your community and give them access. And with the last part of this, what do I recommend? Definitely come be a part of our community. I know that sounds like a plug or promotion, but these are the things that you might want to see. So come join the Darkness community, come jump in chat, see all of the channels that we have. It's not just stream help, it's also pets and anime and gaming and technology and PC stuff. And there's so many opportunities in our community for you to branch out and be a part of something. You'll see me in voice chats, and if you want to jump in, you're able to jump in. That's all I've got. Community is based upon access. Some people might agree, some people might disagree, but I can tell you from doing this for 2 years, access goes a long way. Build your community, grow as a streamer, do what you need. I'm Cyrus, and welcome to the darkness. We'll catch you next time.